everyone. Welcome to News in Flash column of 16th October 2021, which is brought to you by LawSeco. The first news in point which we are going to discuss today is Global Hunger Index 2021. India has slipped into the 101st position among 116 countries in the Global Hunger Index, that is GHI 2021, from its ranking of 2020 that was 94 to be placed behind Pakistan, Bangladesh and Nepal. The GHI score is calculated on 4 indicators, that is undernourishment, second is child wasting. So child wasting means the share of children under the age of 5 who have low weight for their height, reflecting acute undernutrition. Third is child stunting, which means the children under the age of 5 who have low height for their age, reflecting chronic undernutrition. Fourth, child mortality, which means the mortality rate of children under the age of 5. The report prepared jointly by Irish Aid Agency, Concerned Worldwide, and German organization Welt Hunger Health mentioned the level of hunger in India as alarming, with its GHI score decelerating from 38.8 in 2000 to the range of 28.8 to 27.5 between 2012 and 2021. Next, we have rooftop solar, India's most cost-effective. A global study has found that India is the most cost-effective country for generating rooftop solar energy at $66 per megawatt hour, while the cost in China is marginally higher at $68 per megawatt hour. Due to the lower cost, rooftop solar photovoltaics, that is RTSPV technology, such as roof-mounted solar panels used in homes and commercial and industrial buildings, is currently the fastest deployable energy generation technology. This is projected to fulfill up to 49% of the global electricity demand by 2050. According to the study, India has significant solar rooftop potential of 1.7 petawatt-hour per year. Next, we have Research Center for Indian Art set up in Zurich's museum. Museum Rittberg, based in Zurich, Switzerland, has established a unique research center and fellowship program with a focus on Indian art. The GBF Center is meant for scholars, curators, and artists who specialize in Indian painting. The public-private partnership takes its name from the initial of its founders, 3 renowned names in art historical research, that is Professor B.N. Goswami from India, Professor Milo Cleveland Beach from US, and Dr. Ebenhard Fischer from Switzerland. The program aims to enhance international scientific, artistic, and curatorial exchange on Indian art and advance the museum's own collection through dialogues from different perspectives. Museum Rittberg is the only art museum for non-European art in Switzerland and houses collections from Asia, Africa, America, and Oceania. It holds exhibition, cultural events, and global collaborations. Founded in 1952, its Indian paintings collection is ranked alongside those in London, Paris, and Berlin. Finally, we have Farrukh Zafar passes away at 89. Veteran actor Farrukh Zafar, known for her performance in films Gulabo Sitabo and Sultan. She was 89. Zafar was one of the first radio announcer of the Vivid Bharati Lucknow in 1963. Began her own screen journey with 1981 classic Umrao Jaan, in which she played Rekha's mother. So this was all for the news in flash today. We hope you like our session. Also, if you wish to follow it, definitely give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching and do subscribe it.